Hey, what's up, Theta Network Holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of Theta Network. My friends, at this time, people doing a very big mistake. Never make this mistake. After you do this mistake, so you are in the loss. Remember that you are in the loss. Keep watching this video for more details and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos about cryptocurrencies market, my friends. So let's start the video, my friends, without waste any time. First of all, we look the latest update of Theta Network, and after that we discuss the mistake of holders doing it this time, my friends. Now at this time, the latest price of Theta Network in the market as 8.07 USD dollar is the latest price of Theta Network. On the other side, if you look the price change is occurring in the Theta Network, the last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 day pricing is positive, last 1 week pricing is also positive. My friends, at this time the Theta Network is going better, and I'm very happy to see this kind of positive change occur in the Theta Network, my friends. So that is why I suggest, I refer for everyone that it's a perfect time to buy, it's a perfect time to hold. Let me show you, my friends, the price chart of Theta Network for a better understanding. You can see here, my friends, that is the last 3 days price chart, and today is the 3rd June. So that's mean that the Theta Network start jumping in the start of June. So now at this time the people doing a very big mistake. My friends, people decide to sell Theta Network at this time, and as you know, now I know at this time the last 3 days pricing is positive, but the previous pricing is going negative. You know what? In the previous month the price of Theta Network is 12, 13, 14 USD dollar, but now at this time currently price you can see 8.07 USD dollar. So absolutely, my friends, if you decide to sell at this time, so you are in the loss. On the other side, if you decide to hold Theta Network, so absolutely you are in the profit. And if you want buy more, so absolutely you will get a high profit. If you want to invest in a Theta Network, so that's good. Invest more and more in Theta Network, because now it is a jumping time of Theta Network. Invest and make a good amount of profit to the Theta Network. And personally, I have planned to buy Theta Network, so inshallah tomorrow I will buy Theta Network. So anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction on Theta Network? And personally, my prediction about Theta Network is 100% positive. I believe that Theta Network will continue this kind of positive change occur throughout this whole month. Throughout this whole June, they will continue this kind of jump. What do you think? Tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.